Hi, I'm Dr. Larry Burk, holistic radiologist and EFT tapping coach. I'll be leading a weekend workshop at the Art of Living Retreat Center in Boone, North Carolina. The title will be Where the Healing Happens, which is in the lower four chakras, which store a lot of our childhood traumas. These chakras or energy centers are thought to develop in chronological order, beginning with the first chakra in infancy up to the fourth chakra in grade school. Shadow emotions that get lodged in these chakras in childhood may lead to chronic diseases later in life. For example, the first chakra is related to fear, which may result in autoimmune and neurological diseases. Second chakra is anger related to chronic pain and bladder problems. Third chakra is shame, which may lead to eating disorders and type 2 diabetes. And the fourth chakra is about grief, which may lead to lung and sinus conditions. We'll be using a variety of mind, body, spirit, self-healing techniques for each chakra, including meditation, expressive writing, emotional freedom techniques, and self-hypnosis, as well as dream work, as there are certain specific types of dreams that are related to different chakra imbalances. We're going to work our way through all four chakras, beginning with the first chakra on Friday night after dinner and ending with the fourth chakra on Sunday after breakfast. Check out the Art of Living retreatcenter.org for registration information. It's going to be a healing, transformative experience. I look forward to seeing you there.